Are you looking for that stuff? Did you foreclose? Because here's the thing, I'm not necessarily looking for REOs, but I had some great relationships with people here locally. That it's very easy for me to say, hey, I got a lead, and call my buddy up, Joshua, the friendly bearded Texas realtor we had on the podcast a couple of us could say, hey, I got a lead on 200 acres that the bank has taken back, that they were looking for somebody to subdivide. Because that's one of the things I'll ask, because a lot of these smaller banks and some of these land people, the person that probably created a loan is the one that foreclosed. What are you looking to do with it? Are you looking to resell it? Are you looking to sell it off? What's the situation? So it's literally taking these leads as a hot button into the asset manager of the bank. Okay. That's the first thing. Second thing is using them as hot leads in, but then to get their statewide, nationwide list in some of these bigger banks. Okay. Now, let me give you a bit of an idea. Looking at this list is a little confusing. So I kind of basically, just to give you a bit of an idea here, you have like New Res, Texas Rural Capital, Fifth Third Bank, Shell Point Mortgage Servicing, U.S. Bank, Bank of New York Mellon, Texas Regional Bank, Thrive Lending, Greystone Bridge, Carstone Fund, Rock and J Ranch. That's probably a lot. Security Service Federal Credit Union, Citizens State Bank, Summit Resort Development. That's probably it. That's an acre, half acre. Centox Los Milagros. Okay. Inc. Forest Divine Creek LLC. Veterans Land Board, State of Texas. That would be a good one. Randolph Brooks Federal Credit Union, River Land Holdings, Valley Financing, Infinite Lending, UMB Bank, First National Bank of Central Texas, Citibank. I probably won't be able to get in that department, but hey, it's worth trying. Now, on where it's like Citibank or like U.S. Bank, I'm probably going to call the attorney that was foreclosing, because it gives me the trustee's name on that. So I'm going to call that trustee and say, hey, I'm trying to see about buying that note. I didn't know if it sold or didn't sell. Okay. But these Frost Bank, there's 3 in Frost Bank here on this list in Central Texas. Frost is a big bank out of San Antonio, Texas. Okay. Bank of New York Mellon, probably not going to have luck there. But the great thing about this Fannie Mae, I'm not going to have any luck there. It's an $11 million loan, but I could probably call the attorney and track that down. Talk to the right person. But that's what you have to do. And you have to realize you got to put some investment. You got to invest your time and then invest a little bit of money to get a list. And then pick up the phone and dial for dollars. Foreclosure lists have always been a great source for lead generation because you have a hot button. Inquiring about this asset, inquiring about this asset, inquiring about this address. Did you sell it?